Today is not just a celebration of love. It's a moment of joy, a reflection of community, and a beautiful reminder of what it means to be surrounded by those who care.
Katlyn, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love. I promise to be faithful to you and stand by your side, in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, through the good times and the bad. I give you my heart from this day forward.
Caleb, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love. I promise to be faithful to you, to stand by your side in sickness and in health, in joy and sorrow, through the good times and the bad. I give you my heart from this day forward.
And now, by the power vested in me in the state of Oregon, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Caleb, you may kiss your bride.
May your life together be filled with love, and happiness, and health. And I love you both.
Raising a gentleman is not easy, especially nowadays. There's a lot of selfishness and anger in the world right now. We cannot be prouder of the man Caleb has become. I've been with Caleb every step of his life, happy for each new chapter he begins, and never been more excited than right now being here for this new one. We know it will be a great husband and make Katlyn very happy by treating her with love and respect. He saw a hopeful future with somebody, and we're all living in that beautiful future now. And share my hopeful vision that we all enjoy the revelries tonight, and that the wonderful bride and groom have the brightest future that anyone could ask for. Cheers.
As a father, that's all I could ask for in a person. I'm proud to call you my son-in-law. We look forward to watching you guys grow together for many years, and we love you guys and welcome to the family. Cheers to everybody.